Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the question where we will explore part D of this particular question, having drawn the graph, and we will then now need to look at these three parts of part D, whereby we have to use the graph to find the time of the flight of the ball. That means where this ball is in the air. Now, it is important to know that the height of the ball is measured from the ground, meaning that if now I'm going to drill and make it in this particular graph that we are see, which I have zoomed in at the point 0, which I'm highlighting here. That is actually the point where it hits the ground. And therefore, at this particular point here, the time for my graph is actually 1.48. Alright, each small square, I shall do it at the side, each small square represents 0.4 interval units. Okay, so this is 0.4, 0.8, and therefore I would have gotten my first answer for D part 1. The time that is required is 1.48 seconds. Part 2. What is the time when it is 3 meters above the ground, meaning the h is equals to 3. So going back to the question, where it is 3 meters above the ground, I see that there's this point here where the ball hits 3 meters, and it continue to go up until it reach here, then it go down, but it is still above 3 until here. So what is the time from here to here as we look? And these dotted lines are actually the working. It is from 0.2 to 1.0. So the time difference would then be from here to here, the time is 1.0 minus 0.2, 0.8 seconds, where the ball is above 3 meters. Okay, so this is the working for D part 2. So it will be good to label actually this is working for D part 2. And just now I should have also labeled D part 1. Okay, so let's go back, and I'm going to just write my answer here. So the time required when the ball is 3 meters above the ground equal 0.8 seconds. And last part of this question is the maximum height of the ball, and in this case it is actually here where it hits 3.8 meters. Alright, So this will be the working for D part 3. And with that, I'm going to just finish off D part 3, maximum height 3.8 meter. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.